At least Kenyans have to learn to live with judicial decisions, because when you go to a court, you expect that the answer could be positive, it could be negative. And so as Kenyans, we have to learn to live with whatever judicial decision comes out of this process. Of course, the underlying factor in a judicial process is also that the suspects are innocent until proven guilty. So as Kenyans, if we learn to know that, to understand that, then whatever outcome, we should be able to embrace it in the spirit of knowing that a judicial process is likely to come up with either a negative or a positive decision. And it's negative or positive depending on where you stand from. If you are the suspect and the court says, returns a verdict that is favorable to you, you'll be very happy. If you are a victim, you will probably feel very disappointed about it. But that is the rule of law. And I think that is something that we also have to learn to accept, that court decisions must be obeyed, they must be embraced, whatever the outcome. If we are not happy with court decisions, we appeal through the processes. The fact that, for example, if the court returns a verdict of the no confirmations, it doesn't mean that is the end. You see, because we still do not know who caused the violence. So that for me, I don't think that should be the end. We as Kenyans should still be interested in coming to the bottom of this. Why? Who caused the violence? Who actually armed people? Who mobilized people to do the things that they did? I think that will still be important. And even more significant, those who we know and victims know that so-and-so actually came to my house, maybe killed my son, killed my daughter, evicted me from my home. Those are people who are known. So we should still be asking ourselves, these people must be brought to justice, surely. It should not just be asking ourselves about the 6 suspects at The Hague. We should also be asking about all those other people who are involved. So I don't think that a verdict of yes or no means an end. Even if it is yes, we still have not tried people at the national level.
No matter the decision of the ICC judges, we must remember that our country comes first, and we must try to hold our country together irrespective of whether it's in favor of the accused or it's in favor of the country, I would say. Because it's an issue of impunity, it's an issue of deaths, people have died, it's an issue of crimes against humanity. So there are big issues we're talking about for this country. But as we talk about them, I think it's important to remember that we have a country that we love and that we live in, and that be it individuals or a group of individuals, they must always work in the interest of this country. And that's what I would urge both the accused but also the rest of Kenyans, to always work in the interest of this country. So that would be my advice. Thank you.